So hello everyone, this is Gelvix Tech, and in this tutorial I will show you how to install Python packages, or we can say that Python library in PyCharm IDE. So let's start video. The problem is that if you are a beginner programmer in Python language, then you really don't know about how to install this Python library in PyCharm IDE. So don't worry, I will guide you and show you in step-by-step way to install this library in PyCharm IDE. Now this is a window screen. First you have to open a PyCharm IDE. It takes some time to load because it is a heavy software, that's why. Once your PyCharm IDE is open, then you see the interface like that. If you already open any project, then skip this video. Now go to file option, right click on it, click on new project and create one new project. You can give any name to it. I am naming it tutorial and then click on create button. After clicking this window, it also takes some time to creating a new project. Once a project is created, then the interface of IDE like this. This is our project file tutorial and this is venv file. So first you have to do cancel this main.py file. Now go to venv option and right click on it, go to new and click on Python file and create one new Python file. You can give any name to it. I am naming it install underscore package and press enter. Now start importing library. So type here import space I'm installing here numpy. So you can see that there is no option available for numpy package or numpy library. So first clear this. Now install this package. For that go to file option, right click on it and click on setting option. A new window will be pop up like this. Now here on the bottom side there is a project tutorial. Now simply click on this. Inside project tutorial there is two options, project interpreter and project structure. Now click on project interpreter and here on the right side there is a simple plus icon is available. Simply click on this. Once you click, a new window will be pop up like this. Now here all the libraries and packages are available for you. Now simply search here which package you want to install in PyCharm IDE. I am searching for matplotlib. Now here you can see that there is a version of that library and install package option. So simply clear this because we are installing numpy. Now search here numpy, click on this and here you can see this package. Now there is a specific version is available. You can choose this. Without choosing, you can simply install this package. Once you click on install package, your library start installing. It also takes some time for downloading or installing a package. Here we can see that our numpy package is installed successfully. So we simply check our package is working or not by importing this package. So simply type here import numpy. Now you can see that there is an option is available of numpy. So simply click on this, import numpy as np. Now here we creating one simple program to printing a array by using numpy package. N1 equals to np.array. Now inside this method we writing some element 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and now we printing this element by using print statement, print n1 and now run the program. Once you run, you can see that our program is executed successfully. I hope you will understand how to install a Python package in a PyCharm IDE. And if you really like this video, then subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.